How to make money with ChatGPT with no skills. Ladies and gentlemen, fasten your seatbelts because we're about to embark on a roller coaster ride through the digital wonderland. Imagine a world where talking to a computer can actually fill your pockets with cash. Sounds like magic, doesn't it? But pinch yourself because this is no dream. Welcome to the gold rush of the 21st century, where we turn those ones and zeros into dollars and cents. But wait, we hear you saying, we don't have any skills. That's where the plot thickens. The beauty of this journey is that you don't need any skills to strike gold. Hold on tight. With hearts racing and minds buzzing, let's dive into this treasure trove as we unravel the secrets of making money with ChatGPT in 5 spellbinding ways. Party time! First, let's set the stage with some ChatGPT basics. Picture a majestic AI with superpowers. That's ChatGPT for you. Created by the wizards at OpenAI, it's like a knowledgeable genie that you can talk to. Now imagine having that genie in your pocket and showing it off to the world. Cool, right? Let's unravel 5 ingenious ways to leverage this marvel to fill our coffers. Alright, let's roll up our sleeves and get down to business. Here are the 5 amazing ways you can make money with ChatGPT. Number 1. Writing services. Our first treasure chest is called writing services. Have you ever stared at a blank page for hours? Writer's block is real. People all over the globe are crying out for help. That's where you and ChatGPT swoop in to save the day. Just talk to ChatGPT and ask it to help you write essays, articles, or blog posts. Its responses are so elegant, people will think you've been moonlighting as Shakespeare's ghostwriter. Start by offering your services on freelancing websites like Fiverr or Upwork. You can also reach out to local businesses telling them you can jazz up their web content. The pen is mightier than the sword, and with ChatGPT, you have Excalibur. Number 2. Language tutoring. Next, let's talk about language tutoring. Languages are like puzzles, and ChatGPT is a puzzle master. It knows a plethora of languages, and you can use this to your advantage. Start a language tutoring service using ChatGPT to create lesson plans, exercises, and practice conversations. It's like having a multilingual parrot on your shoulder, repeating after you in any language you desire. You can offer your tutoring services on platforms like italki, Preply, or even create your own website to attract language enthusiasts. Build bridges across cultures, one word at a time. Number 3. Personalized gifts. Let's turn up the heat with personalized gifts. Imagine your best friend's face when they receive a poem that feels like it was written by Robert Frost just for them. Or your mom's teary eyes when she reads a heartwarming letter on Mother's Day. ChatGPT can help you craft these magical words. Create a business around personalized, emotionally charged gifts using words. Open an Etsy store or a Shopify shop. Share stories of the smiles and tears your gifts bring to people's faces. When words touch the heart, people will be lining up at your door with their wallets open. Number 4. Chatbots. Hold on tight because next, we're venturing into the intriguing world of chatbots. Everybody loves a good chat, and businesses are on a constant lookout for chatbots to engage their customers. Build your own chatbot using ChatGPT, and we promise you it'll be the life of the party. No programming skills? No problem. Platforms like ChatFuel and ManyChat allow you to build chatbots with no coding required. Sell these chatty buddies to businesses, or even create a subscription service where businesses pay you monthly for chatbot maintenance and updates. Be the puppeteer behind the most engaging conversations online. Number 5. Custom stories. Finally, let's sprinkle some fairy dust with custom stories. In a world of 7 billion people, everyone has a story to tell. Use ChatGPT to craft custom stories for children, families, or even for corporate team building. Pen down adventurous tales of pirates, heartwarming stories of friendship, or nail-biting mysteries. Publish them as ebooks or create audiobooks using text-to-speech software. Platforms like Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing and ACX are perfect for this. These stories can also be great gifts, creating an amalgamation of the writing and gift avenues we talked about earlier. Become the bard that spins tales that will be passed down through generations. Now that we've covered the exciting ways to make money, let's switch gears and talk about something equally important: being responsible and legit in how we go about in this venture. And let's adopt a more formal stance to comprehend the significance of compliance and authenticity. When engaging with ChatGPT to craft content or provide services, it's imperative to respect copyright laws and give due credit to original creators. Should ChatGPT generate content that is reminiscent of a copyrighted source, it's your responsibility to ensure you have the necessary permissions before utilizing it commercially. Another aspect to consider is data protection and privacy. When dealing with clients or customers, especially in writing and chatbot services, it is of utmost importance to handle personal data with care. Familiarize yourself with data protection laws such as GDPR, General Data Protection Regulation, to ascertain that you conduct business in a lawful manner. Transparency and accountability will not only uphold your integrity, but also fortify the trust of your clientele. Furthermore, diversification is a principle that stands tall in business. While it is admirable to make strides in one area, putting your eggs in different baskets, so to speak, can cushion against unforeseen market fluctuations. Consider mixing and matching different methods of monetizing ChatGPT, or even explore new avenues that emerge as technology evolves. Lastly, let us take a moment to reflect on the importance of staying attuned to technological developments. ChatGPT is but a harbinger of the potential artificial intelligence holds. To ensure your endeavors continue to thrive, embrace a culture of continuous learning. Familiarize yourself with industry trends, and don't hesitate to innovate and adapt your business models accordingly. So there you have it, folks. 5 enchanting ways to make money with ChatGPT with 0 skills required. A whole new world awaits you. From wielding the pen like a knight, to speaking the tongues of the world, crafting words that tug at heartstrings, being the voice behind conversational maestros, and narrating tales that echo through the ages, possibilities are boundless. But before we wrap up, let's not forget that with great power comes great responsibility. Make sure you're adhering to OpenAI's policies and usage terms, and always give credit where credit is due. Now what are you waiting for? Get out there, unleash the ChatGPT magic, and let the world be your treasure map. Don't forget to hit that like button if you enjoyed this video, and subscribe for more exciting adventures. Till next time, happy treasure hunting.